Welcome back to ToolsMent, your trusted place for honest reviews, real performance tests, and the best tools for every workshop. Today, we're taking a closer look at one of the most versatile woodworking machines you can own, the Wood Router. Whether you're crafting furniture, designing edges, or cutting perfect grooves, a good router can completely transform your projects. A wood router is all about precision. It lets you hollow out, shape, trim, and cut wood with smooth accuracy. From professional carpenters to home DIYers, this tool is essential for cabinetry, decorative edges, joinery, and custom designs. When choosing a router, you want strong motor power, ideally between 1.25 to 2.5 horsepower for smooth cutting. Variable speed control is important because different bits and materials need different speeds. A soft start feature helps prevent jerking when the motor kicks in. And don't forget ergonomic grips and a stable base for better control. A good router glides effortlessly, keeping cuts clean even on hardwood. Edge trimming, dado cuts, mortises, inlays, a reliable router handles them all. With the right bits, you can create custom grooves, roundovers, chamfers, and even full joinery setups. It's like having a precision shaping machine in your hands. Always wear safety glasses, keep both hands on the tool, and secure your workpiece tightly. Let the router bit reach full speed before touching the wood for the smoothest, safest results. For more tool reviews, buying guides, and hands-on tests, visit toolsmet.com. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more expert insights. Thanks for watching, and keep building with confidence.